Talofa lover and welcome to the Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel. So today we're going to go over a few hacks that parents can use when they are at home to teach their children Samoan. We know that buying books and resources isn't always accessible, and so these hacks can help you when this is part of your life. So the first one is number poster. So most shops will have these, just has the English versions of the numbers. And what we've done is we've gone and we've written the Samoan word for each number. So here we have 1, which is tasi, and then it has an apple, which is an apple. So we have tasi apple, 1 apple. Tolu bolo, 3 balls. Yep. Lima wati, 5 watches, and so forth. And that's one way that you can do it. Another is we went to an op shop and we brought these really simple books that just had little words and pictures. And what we've done is we've stuck a little bit of masking tape where we've just written the Samoan word here. And so you'll find that there are a lot of these kinds of books. They can have colours, the alphabet, numbers, words of food, words of animals. And so these are a great way for you to get them seeing books with Samoan words in it on a daily. What else is there? Oh, the alphabet is a bit hard because Samoan alphabet only has 17 letters and the English alphabet has 26. So we got a packet of flashcards and we took out all of the English letters that were not part of the Samoan alphabet, and then we put them all in alphabetical order for the Samoan alphabet. And so apple e elefante e. So ice cream in Samoan does not start with the letter E, it starts with a. Aisa kulimi. And so you would have, I've stuck a sticker on it, which means I need to draw a picture or find a picture of something else that starts with the letter E, like ipu. Same with o, so an octopus is ve'e, so you could put a sticker here and write the word awful instead. And so you'd go through and do all of that. It might take a while, but it's cheap, it's something that you can do yourself, and simple. Another way is to just buy a stack of plain cards. Then you can colour in, do your own flashcards. So this one is Morwenna, so you can do your own colours. Li'o, Tautau, you can also do shapes. So these are all resources that you can do and make for yourselves at home. If you liked this video, please like it. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, leave a comment below and tell us what you'd like to see. If you really like us, please subscribe or share this with other people. Whawhataite le lava, manuia le aso.